Forget everything you thought you knew about clothing. Because this isn't fashion. This is legacy. We're pulling back the curtain on the dying art of true bespoke kilt making, where every pleat, every stitch, and every decision is guided by heritage and heart. Get ready to witness the breathtaking dedication that turns tradition into timeless beauty. Every kilt begins not with fabric, but with a conversation. This first meeting sets the foundation. Measurements are taken, every curve, every contour, ensuring a perfect fit that moves with the body, not against it. Then comes the selection, hundreds of tartans, each carrying a story, a connection to ancestry, to identity, to place. Not all wool is created equal. Worsted wool, tightly spun and durable, gives the kilt its signature sharp drape and enduring strength. The fabric's weight defines how it hangs, breathes, and lasts. Then comes precision. Every line, every square of tartan must match perfectly, pleat depth, set alignment, symmetry. Because in kilt making, perfection isn't optional, it's inherited. A single mistake here means hours lost. Precision and patience rule every movement. No more machines, no more shortcuts, only the steady hands of experience guiding the blade. Pleating is a meditative ritual, fold by fold, line by line, each movement deliberate, purposeful, alive. It's not just what you see, it's what you don't. The hidden stitching, the careful leaning, the small details that ensure comfort and strength. It's the unseen effort that elevates the craft. You don't just make a kilt, you make something that outlives you. That's what makes it special. Every kilt carries the maker's philosophy, a belief that quality is worth time, and the tradition deserves respect. A well-made kilt can last decades, even generations, but it asks for care in return. Brush it, hang it, store it right, and it will tell your story long after you're gone. From ancient glens to modern gatherings, the kilt endures not as costume, but as culture. A living emblem of identity, craftsmanship, and the connection. Every thread in this fabric carries more than color, it carries meaning. A legacy of those who came before, stitched for those who will come next. So whether it's a kilt, a handmade jacket, or any craft shaped by human hands, invest in quality. Invest in heritage. Because when you wear something made with purpose, you don't just wear fabric, you wear a story. What traditional craft do you admire most? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more stories of heritage and craftsmanship.